Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a BMW M3 wagon. So someone was asking me in the comments to unbox this one. So honestly, I bought just for that because I really don't have that much interest in this casting. So just for unboxing sake, I bought it. So okay, got it. Okay, so here it is. So the first impressions of this casting, it is very lightweight. Looks like a paper box, honestly. And as usual, you can see in the black parts there are a lot of particles. The paint job is really not good. So the logo placement is okay, and so even in the paint job in the top you can see a lot of irregularities here. So you can see it while the light is shining there. And okay, the windows are scratched, not sure how. Okay, so this part for the tail light, that is actually plastic, that is not painted out, so which is really nice. Okay, so even the headlights here, this is some kind of plastic. This is not like painted or anything. Let's see something. Okay, it has some exhaust detail to it, that is really nice. See, my only grudge in this particular casting is, so they would have just gone with a different paint job, a good paint job, because the casting looks really beautiful with all these details here. You can see the plastic headlights or acrylic headlights and tail lights as well. So far we unboxed three cars, but none of the cars actually had something like this. And it has rear view mirrors as well, which is really nice. And it has nice interior detailing to it. So and one side of this car has the windows down a little bit, which is really nice. So this is overall a beautiful casting if you ask me. And while you are buying this, just check if you have any paint job issues or anything, and if you are a modder, if you want to repaint this, well and good. So let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, that rolls really well, and I don't see any wheel wobble. Okay, maybe front wheel wobbles a little bit, but it is not that noticeable, and it does roll really fast. So out of the four cars, including this one which we unboxed, this one beats everything else. So overall, it's a beautiful casting, and if you guys are wondering whether you want to buy it or not, so my personal suggestion would be go ahead and get it. But look for these things. I know you can't able to open the pack, but at least look for the scratches. Like see here. So paint job issues, you can't do anything. That that else matters a gift to you. But at least scratches you can see whether it's there or not, and then you can buy. But if you really love this casting and no matter what you are going to hold it on, then go ahead and buy it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.